Hello everyone, I'm Larry with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and in compliance. For this week's Tech Tips, I want to talk about password managers, and I want to talk again about passwords. Passwords are the way hackers get into your accounts. Too many people are still keeping one password and very easy passwords in order to log in. So there are many different platforms out there and password managers, and I'm going to list a few today. First of all, there's RoboForm. It's free and it's $22.95 per year per user. There's also LastPass, which is also has a free version, which is $36 per year. Dashlane has a free version, or it's $60 per year paid. Password Boss is $36 per year. Remember is also free, has a charge of $36 per year for the paid version. NordPass has a free version, and it's $29.88 per year. 1Password is $48 per year. So what is the holdup? Why are you not looking and getting into a password manager? To protect yourself, you need to do this as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.